Welcome to kidsacademy.mobi.
Hello boys and girls, it's Teacher Mike here, and today we're going to be looking at a worksheet that asks us to order flowers from tallest to shortest. First, let's read the directions and then we'll get started right away. These word problems are quite tricky, so we're going to have to read them really carefully. Look at the picture of the flowers, then answer the questions. Circle the right answers. First, let's remind ourselves, what does tallest and shortest mean? Well, tallest means it's the highest or the furthest from the ground, and shortest means it's the closest to the ground or the smallest. Let's get started with these word problems. Number 1, which flower is the tallest? Well, that's easy. Let's just look at the picture. If we look at all of our flowers, we can see that the yellow flower is the tallest. It is bigger than all the other flowers. So let's go ahead and circle the yellow flower. Number 2, which is the second shortest flower? Okay, these are where the word problems get a little tricky. We're not looking for the shortest flower. We're looking for the second shortest flower, or the next tallest flower. So first, let's find the shortest flower. Well, the shortest flower is the red flower right here. So which is the next shortest flower? The blue flower is shorter than the yellow flower, but it's still taller than the purple flower and the pink flower. The pink flower is the second shortest flower. It is shorter than all the other flowers besides the red flower. The second shortest flower is the pink flower. Let's go ahead and circle the pink flower. Number 3, another tricky word problem. Which flower is shorter than the yellow flower, but taller than the purple flower? So we need to find a flower that's right in between the yellow flower and the purple flower. Let's look closely and see if we can find which flower that is. Well, we know it's not the red flower because the red flower is the shortest. We know it can't be the pink flower because that's shorter than the purple flower. That leaves us with the blue flower. The blue flower is shorter than the yellow flower, but it is taller than the purple flower. The blue flower is the correct answer choice. Number 4, which flowers are taller than the purple flower? Well, we can circle all the flowers that are taller than the purple flower. So let's take a careful look. In this example, we know the yellow flower is taller than the purple flower, and so is the blue flower. The red flower and the pink flower are shorter than the purple flower. So the blue flower and the yellow flower are the correct answers. Let's go ahead and look at our last question. Which flower is shorter than the pink flower? Well, if you look carefully at the worksheet, you can see that only the red flower is shorter than the pink flower. All of the other flowers are taller than the pink flower, making the red flower the only flower that is shorter. Remember, boys and girls, when you're ordering plants, or anything for that matter, you have to look really carefully at the picture. Then, you have to read the word problems even more carefully because they may be asking you about the second shortest or second tallest, or which flower or object is in between one another. Thanks for watching, boys and girls, and we'll see you next time.